Hello everyone. Today we are going to take a look on a dancehall icon, Bounty Killa.
So, bring up the Guinness, smoke up the chronic, can't start to ball, me give them it.
Welcome, family. This is Mix Up the Mix Up, the spot where we chat, cook, explore, and reason about everything under the sun. If you love good vibes and real talk, you're in the right place.
Who is Bounty Killa? Bounty Killer is the stage name of Rodney Basil Price, a legendary Jamaican dancehall DJ born on June 12, 1972 in Kingston, Jamaica. Growing up in some of the island's toughest communities, like Seaview Gardens, he witnessed hardship firsthand, and that reality would become the fuel for his music and message. Nicknamed the Warlord, Five-Star General, the Poor People's Governor, and the Ghetto Gladiator, Bounty Killer is widely regarded as one of the most powerful voices in dancehall, a genre rooted in Jamaican street culture and rhythmic storytelling. Breaking into dancehall, Bounty Killer's journey began in Kingston's sound system culture as a young DJ, where he sharpened his skills on mic battles and dub plates. His first major track was Copper Shot, in the early 1990s, a gritty song that reflected raw street experience and hinted at the force he would become. During the 1990s, he released standout albums such as Roots, Reality and Culture, 1994, My Experience, 1996, which featured hip-hop collaborations and helped broaden his appeal internationally. Ghetto Dictionary, 2002. His 1996 album My Experience even included collaborations with artists like the Fugees, breaking dancehall into wider global markets. More than just hits, a cultural voice. Unlike many dancehall artists who focus on party anthems, Bounty Killer's lyrics often reflect social realities, political struggles, and the lived experiences of the underprivileged. Songs like Poor People Fed Up and Look Into My Eyes resonated deeply with fans, because they spoke truth to power, and gave voice to communities often overlooked. This blend of hard-edged realism and rhythmic swagger earned him his beloved titles and respect across genres and generations. Helping shape the next generation. One of Bounty Killer's most profound impacts isn't just his music, it's his mentorship. He founded The Alliance, a collective that helped launch the careers of some of dancehall's biggest stars, including Vybz Kartel, Mavado, Busy Signal, Wayne Marshall, Idonia, Elephant Man, Boom Dynamite, Nitty Coochie, Harry Toddler, and more. Many of today's biggest names passed through his mentorship. That's leadership. That's legacy. More than music. Unlike many artists focused only on party anthems, Bounty Killer has consistently addressed poverty, government accountability, social injustice, community upliftment. Artists including Shaggy have publicly advocated for even higher national honors for Bounty, recognizing how many major careers he helped bus break without ever taking payment from those he supported. Awards, recognition and legacy. Over his long career, Bounty Killer's contributions have been formally recognized in multiple ways. 1. Grammy Award 2002, for his feature on No Doubt's hit, Hey Baby, one of the few hardcore dancehall artists to win a Grammy. Proving hardcore dancehall could cross into mainstream pop without losing its edge. That moment helped push Jamaican music further into global pop culture. 2. He was inducted into the Jamaica Music Museum Hall of Fame, a prestigious acknowledgement of his place among Jamaican music greats. 3. Order of Distinction, one of Jamaica's highest national honors for contribution to culture and music. These honors reflect the depth of his influence both locally in Jamaica and internationally. Why Bounty Killer matters. So what makes Bounty Killer more than just a dancehall artist? It's the combination of raw authenticity. He captured the essence of Jamaican street life with unfiltered voice and presence. Global reach. His collaborations brought dancehall into conversations with hip-hop, pop, and mainstream music internationally. Cultural leadership. He uplifted younger artists, shaped a generation, and helped define the sound and ethos of modern dancehall. Social commentary. Unlike many dancehall contemporaries, he used his lyrics to spotlight social issues, advocacy, and community upliftment. Bounty Killer isn't just a performer, he's a pillar of dancehall culture. From his gritty beginnings in Kingston to mentoring legends and earning international awards, his story is one of resilience, influence, and unwavering voice. Dancehall wouldn't look the same without him, and the genre itself has been shaped by his unapologetic truth and stylistic boldness. In the end, Bounty Killer stands as one of the central architects of dancehall, a genre that has become a global force in music. Bounty Killer, the warlord who built modern dancehall. Poor people's governor. Ghetto gladiator. 5-star general. Dancehall has had many stars, but only a few generals. And when it comes to lyrical warfare, cultural leadership, and shaping generations, Bounty Killer stands at the top. He wasn't just making music, he was reporting from the front lines of Jamaican inner-city life. His early tracks like Coppershot and later anthems such as Poor People Fed Up made it clear, this was a DJ speaking for the unheard. What he did for dancehall. He changed the sound. Bounty Killer brought a militant, gritty vocal style that influenced an entire generation of artists. His command of rhythm and lyrical attack became a blueprint for hardcore dancehall. Why he still matters. Bounty Killer isn't just a hitmaker. He is a cultural architect, a mentor, a voice of the streets, a pillar of dancehall history. Without him, modern dancehall would look very different. Highlights. Here are some related developments from the past year or so. His U.S. comeback performance at the Barclays Center in New York marked a major moment, selling out after 15 years off U.S. stages. Earlier collaborations and charitable work, including hurricane relief with other artists, have also kept him active internationally. Bounty Killer leads peaceful protest in Jamaica. Recently, the dancehall icon has been in the headlines not just for music, but for activism. He helped rally supporters ahead of a court sentencing, promoting a "no more violence" message and urging community unity in Jamaica. Community benefit concert. Bounty Killer is set to headline the Seaview Gardens Community Assistance Project concert on March 29, 2026, along with artists like Dexta Daps and Blackman. This event blends music with community upliftment and local support, a cause close to his roots. Dancehall relief efforts. In a recent collaboration with fellow artist Busy Signal, Bounty Killer has been involved in community relief work, helping deliver support to areas affected by natural disasters like hurricanes, showing his influence beyond music. Overall, Bounty Killer remains a vital cultural figure actively shaping dancehall and contributing to community causes, not just performing music, but using his voice and platform for social impact. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, go ahead and tap that heart, share it with a friend, and drop a comment below. I really appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one.